Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to show you how to verify your Hamster Kombat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Telegram and open Hamster Kombat from there. And after opening the Hamster Kombat, you will get to see this airdrop button at the bottom right corner. Simply tap into there and then go to withdrawal section. From there, you can choose any of the options which you would like to connect and verify. I'm choosing this OKX early birds. Just simply tap into that and then you just simply have to tap to register, and after that you will get the KYC form directly into your bank site or bank portal, and you have to fill up into there. Now into here you just simply have to use your referral register code, and then you will get a notification or a link into your bank email or bank website, and you have to verify your KYC into there. This way you can very easily do this process. I hope you like this video. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another future update.